In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Then hit OK in the pop-up. Select Timeout over here, make sure that Infinite is on, and when you finished, go into Tab menu right away. Now you need to edit your current shortcuts by tapping on this pen at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down, look for Caffeine shortcut and drag it to your current ones. Place it wherever you want to. Go back and click on your shortcut to activate it. As you can see, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!